Question 1. Which of the following statements describe disadvantages of virtualization? Select 2 answers. A. Performance is degraded by having multiple virtual machines that run on a single host and share hardware resources. B. In a virtualized environment, deployment of different types of OSs or multiple copies of the same OS or application becomes more difficult due to hardware configuration issues. C. On a larger scale, virtualization has a negative effect on operational costs due to increased power supply requirements. D. Hardware used for hosting virtual machines becomes a single point of failure. The correct answers are: A. Performance is degraded by having multiple virtual machines that run on a single host and share hardware resources. D. Hardware used for hosting virtual machines becomes a single point of failure. Question 2. In virtualization technology, a software program that manages multiple operating systems, or multiple instances of the same operating system, on a single computer system is called A. Hypervisor. B. Virtual switch. C. Host machine. D. Virtual machine. The correct answer is A. Hypervisor. Question 3. Which of the following can be used as countermeasures against VM escape? Select 2 answers. A. Group policy. B. Sandboxing. C. User training. D. Patch management. E. Asset documentation. The correct answers are B. Sandboxing. D. Patch management. Question 4. Which of the following security measures can be used to prevent VM sprawl? Select 2 answers. A. Patch management. B. Usage audit. C. Physical security controls. D. Sandboxing. E. Asset documentation. The correct answers are B. Usage audit. E. Asset documentation. Question 5. Which of the following are examples of Hardware Assisted Virtualization, HAV, technologies? Select 2 answers. A. EPV. B. Hyper-V. C. AMD Catalyst. D. VTX. E. AMDV. The correct answers are D. VTX. E. AMDV. Question 6. For best performance, a custom workstation designed for virtualization tasks needs: A. Select 3 answers. A. Large, fast hard drive. B. Maximum RAM. C. Specialized GPU. D. High-end cooling. E. Maximum CPU cores. The correct answers are A. Large, fast hard drive. B. Maximum RAM. E. Maximum CPU cores. Question 7. Which of the following allows multiple operating systems to work on the same hardware simultaneously? A. Virtualization. B. Clustering. C. Hyperthreading. D. Multitasking. The correct answer is A. Virtualization. Question 8. Which of the following describe the characteristics of a non-persistent VDI? Select 2 answers. A. At the end of a session, user desktop reverts to its original state. B. Each user runs their own copy of virtual desktop. C. At the end of a session, user data and personal settings are saved. D. Virtual desktop is shared among multiple users. The correct answers are A. At the end of a session, user desktop reverts to its original state. D. Virtual desktop is shared among multiple users. Question 9. In a persistent VDI, select two answers. A. Each user runs their own copy of virtual desktop. B. At the end of a session, user desktop reverts to its original state. C. Virtual desktop is shared among multiple users. D. At the end of a session, user data and personal settings are saved. The correct answers are A. Each user runs their own copy of virtual desktop. D. At the end of a session, user data and personal settings are saved. Question 10. A remote server hosting a virtualized user OS is an example of A. VDI, B. VPN, C. VDU, D. VTC. The correct answer is A. VDI. Question 11. In cloud computing, the practice of grouping together computing resources and making them available for shared access for multiple consumers is referred to as A. Broad network access, B. Measured service, C. On-demand self-service, D. Resource pooling. The correct answer is D. Resource pooling. Question 12. Which of the following is a cloud computing feature that allows consumers to control the volume and type of computing resources used? A. Measured service, B. On-demand self-service, C. Broad network access, D. Rapid elasticity. The correct answer is B. On-demand self-service. Question 13. Which of the following is a cloud computing feature that allows computing resources to be automatically allocated in response to demand? A. Rapid elasticity, B. Measured service, C. On-demand self-service, D. Resource pooling. The correct answer is A. Rapid elasticity. Question 14. A hybrid cloud is a type of cloud deployment model consisting of two or more interlinked cloud infrastructure types, private, community, or public. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 15. The Universal Serial Bus, USB, standard specifies that Type B connectors can be attached to. Select two answers. A. Target devices, B. Devices that supply power, C. Host devices, D. Any type of device, E. Devices that receive power. The correct answers are A. Target devices, E. Devices that receive power. Question 16. What is the maximum number of USB devices that can be connected to a single USB host controller? A. 31, B. 63, C 127. D 255. The correct answer is C 127. Question 17. The Universal Serial Bus, USB, standard specifies that Type A connectors can be attached to, select two answers. A. Target devices. B. Devices that supply power. C. Host devices. D. Any type of device. E. Devices that receive power. The correct answers are B. Devices that supply power. C. Host devices. Question 18. What is the maximum allowable cable length for both full-speed USB and high-speed USB? A. 3 meters. B. 4.5 meters. C. 5 meters. D. 10 meters. The correct answer is C. 5 meters. Question 19. Which of the following USB variants have a practical cable length limitation of 3 meters? Select two answers. A. Low-speed USB. B. Full-speed USB. C. High-speed USB. D. Super-speed USB. The correct answers are A. Low-speed USB. D. Super-speed USB. Question 20. What is the maximum data transfer rate for USB 3.2? A. 10 Gbps. B. 20 Gbps. C. 30 Gbps. D. 40 Gbps. The correct answer is B. 20 Gbps. Question 21. USB 3.1 offers an improvement over its predecessors by enabling a maximum data transfer rate of up to A. 6 Gbps. B. 10 Gbps. C. 20 Gbps. D. 40 Gbps. The correct answer is B. 10 Gbps. Question 22. Which of the following apply to the USB 3.0 standard? Select three answers. A. High-speed USB. B. Backward compatibility with all preceding USB standards. C. 3 Gbps data transfer rate. D. Full-speed USB. E. 5 Gbps data transfer rate. F. Superspeed USB. G. 10 Gbps data transfer rate. H. No backward compatibility with the preceding USB standards. The correct answers are B. Backward compatibility with all preceding USB standards. E. 5 Gbps data transfer rate. F. Superspeed USB. Question 23. Fiber-optic Thunderbolt interfaces have a maximum cable length of A. 30 meters. B. 40 meters. C. 50 meters. D. 60 meters. The correct answer is D. 60 meters. Question 24. What is the maximum allowable length for a Thunderbolt copper cable? A. Up to 3 meters. B. Up to 6 meters. C. Up to 10 meters. D. Up to 15 meters. The correct answer is A, up to 3 meters. Question 25. Thunderbolt 3, select all that apply. A, provides support for up to 6 devices on a single port. B, uses many DisplayPort, MDP, connector. C, enables data transfer rate of up to 40 Gbps. D, uses USB-C connector. E, enables data transfer rate of up to 20 Gbps. F, provides the capability to send PCIe/DisplayPort data and power over single cable. The correct answers are: A, provides support for up to 6 devices on a single port. C, enables data transfer rate of up to 40 Gbps. D, uses USB-C connector. F, provides the capability to send PCIe/DisplayPort data and power over single cable.